Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your daily energies and for your love energies, Libras. Five of Wands, Queen of Wands, Nine of Wands, Six of Wands. Libras, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, today you are working really hard to make things manifest. So whatever you want to do, this may be regarding your work atmosphere, work situation, or in this relationship with this person. So you are struggling really hard to make things work your way. So there may be people who are working against you, opposing you, causing certain kinds of hindrance in your path, and people may be imitating you also. Few of them, they may be having a good impression about you, and they want to become like you, so they may be imitating you, or you may have some indirect adversaries, like people, they may be obstructing your work, or in this relationship they may be hindering what is manifesting in your relationship. They may be talking behind your back, something. So some indirect troubles are there, some indirect struggles are there, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may because of these great struggles you're putting up, because of the way you're handling things with confidence, but certain things are not happening as they are supposed to. Certain delays are there, certain things are not turning as they should. You are having those obstacles. This may concern your work or in your relationship, guys. And maybe because of the because of the effort you're putting in, you are having great hope within yourself. You are expecting great news anytime, and you are you are working with confidence for some of you. But though you have certain things in your life, certain good things, you are looking up to the things that you do not have, and you are worrying about that what you do not have. So maybe for some of you all, it is time for you to count your blessings, guys. So this may be regarding your relationship with this person, or in your work. So whatever you are having with you, you need to accept that and be happy for it, for how it is there. So for some of you all, whatever you expect is going to come. So whatever desires, whatever you hope for some of you all, it may not, but you should not worry about that, guys. But you are making tremendous efforts in your work, in your relationship. You're making you're working really hard. You're turning every leaf to you're leaving no stone unturned to manifest the things you need in life, guys. So that is the energy. Maybe this person you love, they are very they are very lovable, and they have a good attraction towards you, and also they may be quite ambitious. They may have interest in working their career first. They may be interested in improving in their career first before coming into this committed relationship, or they may be having few addictions. So that may be the reason for these struggles. How things are delaying, maybe for you both to get together. So these may be the reasons. Some people, they may be having what to say, aspirations in their work, or it may be because of their addictions. So that may also be the reason for certain kinds of delays in your relationship, or things to manifest in this relationship, or in your life. You may be having some addictions or some bad habits. That may be the reason for the struggle, and that may be the reason for certain delays or suspensions happening. So that is also the energy here, Libras. But you are putting in tremendous efforts, guys. Maybe this may be to overcome these addictions, or set things right in your life. Something, guys, to overcome that competition you're having, or some kind of blocks you are having, but you are trying really hard. That is the energy here, guys. Let us see what is coming up with the other cards. What is coming up with the other cards for Libras? Birds, stars, clouds. Just like I said, you are having some kind of struggles and confusions. So that is the same energy here with these cards. And maybe you are taking counsel from friends or family, whoever you can trust. So you are taking their suggestions regarding your situation, whatever you want to decide on. So you are taking their suggestions, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are finding the path to overcome this situation. So whatever you were trying, it was not manifesting. So for some of you all, you are feeling inspired, maybe after this talk with this friend or family member, or with your person. You are feeling that inspiration and guidance in your day-to-day activities. You are finding the path to reach your goals. So whatever you want to reach, you are getting that deep conviction and determination to explore the new path and do amazing things in your life, guys. So with this card, this is a very positive card. It just shows that you are being guided with optimism, and you are feeling inspired, and you will get the illumination within your heart regarding the things that you want to do today, Libras. So that is the energy here, guys, and that is the reading for today, Libras. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.